guys, I'm back, and that means you're back. We're all back together. All right, topic 2. Topic 2. You are on topic 2. All right, so we're going to do 4 problems. We did 4 problems from topic 1. Now we're going to do 4 problems from topic 2. We're going to do an easy one. We're going to do a little bit harder one. We're going to do a hard one. And then I'm going to give one for you to try on your own. So when I give you that last one at the end, remember, I'll put the problem up. You'll push pause on the video. Work out the problem as best you can. Then hit play again. And then we'll work it out so that you can make sure everything's good and cool. All right? So 4 problems just like we did on topic 1. All right, let's start with an easier one. An easier one. All right? So, welcome, topic 2, Mr. Filer. All right. Hopefully, some of you went and bought a calculator after topic 1 because it's like, I might need that calculator after all. Mr. Filer might be right. But anyway, if you didn't, we'll still survive. 38. And by the way, people think, well, I don't need that calculator because I got a calculator on my phone. Yeah. But that calculator may or may not do what you need it to do. So, and plus every phone calculator is different. So if you want to follow along with me, I'm not going to be on my phone calculator. I'm not going to be on your phone calculator. I'm going to be on the Texas Instrument, the TI-30XA. That's the calculator I'm going to be on. All right? All right. So, here we go. Number 9 looks like this. Okay? So, we know that when we have 2 negatives, the 2 negatives mean positive when you add them together. So this is going to be 38 negative 17 translates like this, guys. 38 plus 17. These 2 negative numbers, a negative is a positive. Negative, 2 negatives. Look at they're right next to each other. All right? So then this becomes 38 plus 17. That's pretty easy. 38 plus 17. 38 plus 17. You could just get on your calculator and go 38 plus 17. And you'll get 55. And it's a positive 55. Okay? The other way you can do this problem is just take 38, just plug into your calculator exactly what you see. 38, and then go minus. There's your minus sign. Minus in the gray buttons just to the right of the calculator. So 38 minus, and then go 17, and then don't forget this. That 17 is not positive, guys. That 17 is negative. So put a negative sign. Hit the negative button right there. Equals. And it'll say positive 55. All right? So either way, calculator, positive 55. Let's do a harder problem. Let's do a harder problem. We're going to do number 11. Number 11, and this is from topic 2, negative 16 minus all right. You ready? Negative. The right number, there's the number on the left, there's a number on the right. The number on the right has 2 negatives. Negative makes it a positive. Everybody say it. Negative, positive. All right. And then we're going to back up and we're going to put this negative 16 back into the problem. Okay. So there's our 2 numbers. Again, if you have 2 numbers that are the opposite sign at the very end of the problem, you're going to have 1 positive number, 1 negative. If that's the case, subtract those 2 numbers, take the bigger number, subtract the smaller number, and you're going to take the sign of the bully. So if I was doing this without a calculator, I'd say, Mr. Filer, the 36 is bigger. Yeah, 36. And this is a smaller number, Mr. Filer, 16. And you said subtract them, right? Yeah. Well, I get 20. Okay, 20. So my answer is 20. But now I got to figure out, is it positive 20 or negative 20? I take the sign of the bully. The bully is the bigger number. In this case, 36 is a positive 36. And the 16, that's the smaller number, it's negative. So the sign of the bully here, the sign of the bully, I take the sign of the bully's the bigger number, well, it's positive. That's why my answer is positive 20. Let's do that same problem with a calculator. With a calculator. You're going to clear the calculator. You're going to put in 16 first, and then go down and find that negative button. It's just to the left of the equal sign. And so then you press it, and it should say, stop and look at your calculator. It should say negative 16. Negative 16, and then you're going to go minus. So hit your gray button, minus. And then you're going to go 36, but then it's not positive 36. No, it's negative. So after you put your 36 in, go down to that button right to the left of the equal sign and press it. It should say that. It should negative 36. Then hit equals, and you'll get positive 20. So either way, the answer is positive 20. Now we're going to do a harder one. All right, now we're going to do a harder one. So now we're going to do number 13. All right, number 13 on your homework, which looks like this. Okay, so this is number 13. Okay, so that's a negative number. Negative 16 minus 6 plus negative 5. That's a negative number. Minus 6 is also a negative number. And that's a negative number, negative 5. All right. So anyway, we're going to take the 16 and the 5. And so these are all three of them are negative. We're going to add them all together and get one big fat negative number. So 16 and 6 is like 22, and 22 and 5 is like 27. So I could just add them in my head, and I get 27. So you owe me $16, then you owe me $6 more, then you owe me $5 even more, and you now owe me 27. Let's do it with a calculator. Let's do it with a calculator. All right, 16. Hit the negative button. Make sure it looks like that. Minus 6 plus 5 negative. And I get negative 27. Okay? So it's 16, hit the negative button. That's a minus. So go over to the gray buttons and hit minus 6. Then go hit your plus sign. That's your gray button, plus gray button. 5, and it's negative. And make sure you put the negative after that 5. Don't just go 5. Go 5 and then hit the negative button, and then hit equals. Okay? So you get negative 27. Either way, negative 27. The one I want you to do is number 15. I'll write it down, but it's 15 on your homework. Once I have it down, I want you to press that pause button if you would. 16. Okay, that's your problem. It's number 15 on your homework. go ahead and pause. Come back, work out the problem, come back and we'll do it together. All right? Pause. Okay, we're back. Are you back? I'm back. All right, how'd you do? Let's see. The negative, negative. The negative, negative. These two negatives. There and there. Turn that 13 into positive 13. Negative, negative 5. Are you kidding me? Another negative, negative 5. Negative, negative turns it into a positive 5. Now, all my numbers are positive, guys. Just go and, just add them all up. 16 and 13 is 29. 29 and 5 is 34. Or you could use your calculator, or you could, write them all out and add them all, put them in a column and add them up. Either way, 34. Did you get 34? I hope so. If you did, pat yourself on the back. If you didn't, that's okay. Just go back and hit this video a couple more times and review it, and until you can get there. All right? You're learning something new, so it's going to take you a couple times to practice it. So don't get stressed if you don't, get these right on the first try. It's okay, really, I promise you. But we do need to be able to get to the right answer. So practice until you can. All right? Good job, you guys. We got through topic 2. And now, topic 3 on the next video. All right? Can't wait to see you then. Bye, guys.